بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hdathi. So today we will be concluding our first unit in this semester. The name of the unit is called My Family. My Family. This will be lesson number 4, the last lesson. So let's start. Bismillah. Let's start by revising what we have learned in the previous lesson. My dear student, in the previous lesson, we introduced pronouns. We said that pronouns are words we use to replace, or if we don't want to use the noun, we might use the pronouns to replace the actual noun. Okay? We will give extra exercises in this lesson, inshallah. By the end of the lesson, inshallah, we will practice saying the numbers. Do some math. Practice how to tell the number, or how to say the number. Also, we will practice the pronouns again, and we will be doing a lot of exercises. You will find this at your books at page 41. So this is your book. Make sure you have the actual copy. In this lesson, we will write. So have your pencils ready, your work notebook or a piece of papers in case you need to take some notes. Also, we will be reading. You will read. We will say the numbers. As I am speaking or saying, you will be listening and repeating the words and the numbers you hear. Okay? As I mentioned earlier, this is the third unit in our curriculum. The name is My Family. Today is our last lesson. So let's start. This is my family, or the name of the family. As you can see, I have members of the family. That is the name of our unit, My Family. Numbers. So let's go ahead and revise the numbers that we've took so far. And let's try to do some math. Okay? Let's try to combine this with some fun activities. Let's start. Now, I need you to go ahead and try to say these numbers on your own. I will give you 10 seconds for that. I know you can do it. It's so easy now. And then I'll be saying the numbers for you. Try to read them. Very good. Now let's read together. Starting from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good, my dear student, very good. So here I have the numbers from number 1 till number 20. Now, let me try to check your understanding of the numbers up to number 20. So for the first one, I give you 4 options. Which number do we have? Is it number 2, 5, 7, or 6, my dear student? What do you think? We are talking about number 5. Excellent. So that is number 5. Excellent, excellent. Next. Which number is this? Is it number 2, 3, 10, or 7? What do you think? What number is it? 2, 3, 10, or 7? Very good. Excellent. That is number 2. Very good. That is number 2. Next. Which number is it? Is it number 4, 9, 7, or 6? What do you think? It is number, very good, that is number 6. Excellent, my dear student. That is number 6. Next, which number is it? Is it number 2, 4, 1, or 5? What do you think? What do you think? Actually, it is number 4. Very good, very good. Next, which number is it? Is it number 2, 3, 8, 1. What do you think? Excellent. That is number 1. That is number 1. Very good. The last one, is it number 9, 8, 7, or 6, my dear student? That is number 9. Very good. That is number 9. Excellent. Excellent, my dear student. Now, let's go ahead and try to, here I have the numbers from number 11 till number 20, right? I have them as numbers and I have them as words in both sides. So we're supposed to match. I already do this with the first one, 11. How about the next one? 12. Very good. That is number 12. Excellent, excellent. Next, 11, 12, 13. Very good, my dear student. 13. Next, 11, 12, 13, 14. Excellent. 14. Very good, very good. Next, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 15. Excellent, excellent, my dear student. Next, 15, 16. Very good. That is number 16. Next, 16, 17. Very good, very good. Very good, my dear student. Next, I have 18. Very good. 18. Next, I have 19. And for the last one, I have 20. I have 20. Very good. So let's go ahead and read our answers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good, my dear student. Now, as you can see, it's writing time. So have your pencils or pen ready next to your notebook. Here, I need to write the missing numbers. As you can see here, I have numbers. We need to complete the bubbles here with the missing ones, okay? So let's start with the first one. I have number 1. Next, what do I have, my dear student? I have number 2. Very good. Next, 3. Excellent. Next, 4. Excellent. 5. So let's go ahead and read the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. 6. After that, 7. Next, 8. Very good. Next, 9. Very good. And 10. Let's go ahead and read. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11. Next, 12. Very good. Next, 13. 14. And 15. Very good, my dear student. 16. Next, 17. Very good. 18. Very good. 19. Very good. 20. Let's read. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21. Next, 22. 23. 24. 25. Very good, my dear student. Next, I have 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, here I have the number by tens. What do I mean by this? It means I will add 10 each and every time. Starting with the first one, I have 10. Then I will add 10 more. Then I have 10 more, okay? So starting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 or 100. Very good, my dear student. So these are counting or numbers by 10. Okay, now we need to write the word. Okay, we learn how to say them. Now let's learn how to write them down. For the first one, I have number 10. Very good, my dear student. I have number 10. Next, what do I have? I have 20. Very good. I have 20. Next, I have 30. Very good. 30. Next, I have 40. Very good. Next, I have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good, my dear student. These are numbers by tens. They are very important and you have them in your book. Now, let's try to combine English with math now, okay? I need to know if you are so good at math as well as your English. Let's do some math here. Let's try by adding 30 to 20, my dear student. Let's add the numbers together. So 30 plus 20 equals 50. Very good, equals 50. Next, I have 60 plus 10. 60 plus 10. So let's go ahead and add. The answer is 70. Very good, the answer is 70. Next, 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30. The answer is 50. Very good, you are so smart. Next, 40 plus 30. 40 plus 30. The answer is 70. Very good, you're doing a good job. Next, 10 plus 50. 10 plus 50. The answer is 60. Very good. Carry on. 10 plus 9. Notice that we have all the answers. I have all the answers on the top for you. 10 plus 90 equals 100 or 100. Excellent. Next, 50 plus 30. The answer is 80. Very good, my dear student. Next, 40 plus 40. 40 plus 40. Same answer as the one above, but different numbers. Next, 30 plus 10. 30 plus 10 equals 40. Very good. 80 plus 20 equals 100 or 100. Very good, my dear student. So you proved that you were good at English and at math. Now, here I have the numbers for you up from 100, up from 1 till 100, right? So far we read up to 30, okay? So let's go ahead and try to read, for example, this line, okay? 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, let's pick another line. For example, the red one, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Excellent, my dear student. Let's go to the last one. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Very good, my dear student. Now, here I will try something different, okay? So as you can see, each and every number comes with a different color, okay? I'll be saying the number. You will go ahead and write the number you just heard from me, and then I will circle the correct answer, okay? So for example, let's stay with black. For example, I need you to write number 9 for me. So go ahead, use your pencils, write number 9 for me. Where is number 9? Write number 9 for me. Are you done? Okay, that is number 9. That is number 9. Let's choose red so you can see it clearly. That is number 9. Very good. Okay, now I need you to write down number 17 for me. 17. So go ahead, write number 17 on your notebook. Write number 17, 17. I hope you're done because that is number 17. Very good, my dear student. Now you need to master this because now we will move to larger numbers. I need you to circle number 24 for me. 24. So go ahead and write number 24 for me. 24. Hope you're done because that is number 24. Very good, my dear student. I know you can do the next exercise because we will be moving to a larger numbers. Again, I have all the numbers from number 1 to number 100 in different colors. I know you can do it. I'll be saying the numbers. I need to write it down and then I'll be circling the number to check if you got the correct number. I need you to go ahead and circle, to write number 16. Write number 16 for me. Go ahead and write it. Notice it's 16, not 60. So I hope you get it correctly because that is number 16. Very good. Now, I need you to circle number 32. 32. So go ahead, write number 32 for me. Write number 32. That is 32. Very good, my dear student. Now, I need you to write down number 59. 59. Go ahead and write it down. 59, 59. I hope you got it correctly. That is number 59. Excellent. Next, I need you to write down number 77. 77. Go ahead and write it down. Write it down because this is number 77. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. You're doing an amazing job. Now I need you to write down number 81. 81. Go ahead, write it down. 81. That is 81. Very good, my dear student. Let me give you the last number. How about number 45? Number 45. Go ahead and write it. That is 45. Very good, my dear student. Excellent job. Now, have your books ready and open at page 41, okay? As you can see, we have the pronouns at the top, but we will leave this till later and we will go directly to the numbers. So I will zoom in for this part. This is the lower part of page 41, okay? Read and write the number. So as you can see here, I have the number by tens, okay? I have all the numbers by tens. He has the word, or we have the word here as a word. I need you to write it as a number, okay? Let's start with the first one. I have 10. So go ahead and write number 10 in your book, just like that. That is number 10. Very good, my dear student. For the next one, we'll be adding 10 more. 20. Very good. 20. Next one, I have 30. Very good. 30. Excellent, my dear student. For the next one, I have 40. Make sure you are writing the correct answers. 40. Excellent. For the next one, I have 50. 50. Very good. Make sure you are writing the correct answers. 60. Excellent. 70. 80. 90. 100. Very good, my dear student. 100. Excellent, excellent. Okay, so make sure you are writing the correct numbers in your books. Let's go ahead and revise the pronouns. You have them at page 41 at the top. So, as we mentioned before, we have singular pronouns and plural pronouns. Let's read them. I, you, he, she, it. For the plural, I have we, you, and they. Now, for the singular, I have I. Now, it's very important that you see how the person is talking. So he's referring to himself, pointing at himself. He will use the pronoun I. You, and then we have she, he, and it for singular, right? Next, for the plural, I have we, I have you, and I have they. Very good, very good. Let's go ahead and choose again. For the first picture, he, she, or they. What do you think? He, she, or they? The answer is she. She is a girl. She is a smart girl. Very good. Next one. We, you, or I. What do you think? The answer is we. Very good. The answer is we. Very good. Next. How about this picture? She, you, it. She is referring or pointing at a group of people by using the pronoun you. So you here is used for plural. Okay? Next one. We, he, or she. The answer is he. Excellent. The answer is he. Next. I have they, she, or you. The answer is they. They are my friends. Next. He, she, or I. She is pointing, so the answer is I. Excellent. Now, let's choose. Here I give you 3 options for each and every picture. For the first picture, I have a boy. I'll refer to him by using which pronoun? He, she, it. What do you think? The answer is he. Very good. The answer is he. He is a boy. He is a good boy. Okay. For the next one, I have a book. How do we refer to a book? He, she, or it? The answer is it. It is my book. Very good. Next, I have a cat. He, she, it. The answer is it. It is a cat. Very good. I have a girl. He, she, or it? The answer is she. She is my little sister. Next, let's choose or circle. The first picture, she or he? I have a girl here. The answer is she. Very good. Next, I have 2 people here, brothers and sister. Brother and sister, so I will use they. Next, I have a pencil. He or it? The answer is it. Very good. For the next one, I have a boy. We, he. What do you think? He. He is a boy. Very good. Again, let's go ahead and choose. I have a cat. We've done this before. A cat is an animal. It is my cat. Very good. Next, I have a boy riding a bike. He is my brother. Very good. I have a picture, group of people, plural, they, she. The answer is they. Very good. Last picture, she's pointing at herself. She is talking about herself by using the pronoun I. She is using the pronoun I. I am a student, and so on. Let's go ahead and choose. For the first picture, I have, they are pointing at themselves, talking about themselves. We are brothers and sisters. Next, they are my brothers. Next, you are my sister. Very good. Next, I am Ahmed, for example. Very good. Next, it is my football. Very good. Next, she is my sister. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now let's go ahead and choose this as well. I have a man. He, she, or it? The answer is he. Next, I have a girl. She. I have a butterfly. It. I have a girl. She. Excellent, my dear student. So here I have the pictures and I have all the pronouns that we might use above. Let's go ahead and try to write the correct pronoun under each picture. For the first one, I. Next, it. Very good. Then I have children. They. I have a student. She. 2 bags. They. She. I have a bird. I have a bird, it. And I have a group of people talking about themselves by using we. Very good. So these are the pronouns and with the verb be that we are using them with. I am, you are, it is, she is, he is, we are, they are. They are very important. I need you to study them well. Also here, we have this before. The personal pronouns and the verb be, they are used with. I am. So here I have verb be, am. You are. He, she, it. They are used with the verb is. We are, you are, and they are. You have this at your book at page 41. I need you to go ahead as your homework and read this over and over again. Okay? For the first part, I have the pronoun. In the middle, I have verb be, and then I have the entire sentence. Okay? So let's revise what we have learned in this lesson, my dear student. We practiced saying numbers. Actually, you did an amazing job saying the numbers from number 1 till number 100. Also, we revised the pronouns and we were able to do multiple exercises. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.